I still remember the exact moment I checked my account and saw it. $1,000. It might not sound like much to some people, but for me, it felt like I cracked a code nobody ever taught me. Because before that, I was broke. Not, I have no money at all, broke, but the kind where money comes in and disappears like magic. The problem: every month I'd tell myself, this time I'll save, and every month something happened. Food delivery, random shopping, just this once spending. I wasn't careless, I just didn't have a system. And that's when I realized something important. Saving money isn't about motivation, it's about structure, awareness. The first thing I did was simple, but uncomfortable. I tracked every single dollar I spent for 7 days. Not for a month, not forever, just 1 week. And honestly, it shocked me. I wasn't broke because I didn't earn enough. I was broke because I didn't notice how I was spending. Little things added up fast. The rule that changed everything. After that, I made one rule: save first, spend later. Not save what's left, because there's never anything left. So every time I got money, even if it was small, I took a portion out immediately. At first it was just $5, then $10, then $20. It felt small, almost pointless. But here's the truth. Small consistency beats big intentions. Make it hard to spend. This part made a huge difference. I opened a separate place for my savings. Somewhere I wouldn't touch easily. Not an account I check daily, not cash in my wallet. I made it slightly annoying to access. Because the easier money is to reach, the easier it disappears. Cut one thing, not everything. I didn't try to become super disciplined overnight. I didn't stop all spending. That never works. Instead, I picked one thing I was wasting money on. For me, it was ordering food too often. I didn't stop completely. I just reduced it. That one change alone saved me more than I expected. Increase income, even a little. Saving alone wasn't enough. So I asked myself, how can I make just a little more? Not a new job. Not something big. Just small things. Freelance work. Selling something I didn't use. Helping someone with a task. Even an extra $50 to $100 a month made a difference. Because that money, I saved all of it. The turning point. At first, progress was slow. $100, then $200, then $350. It didn't feel exciting. But one day I checked again, and it was $1,000. And that's when everything changed. Not because of the money itself, but because I realized if I can do this once, I can do it again. If you're trying to save your first $1,000, start today, even if it's just $1.